Here we had a water ingress on the upper level of a residential house. A flexi hose had burst in the ensuite of the master bedroom. Water ingressed across the bedroom, making its way through the hallway, into 2 other bedrooms and into the kitchen. The end result was saturation to the carpets, trapped moisture under the timber flooring, and high moisture readings to the yellow tongue subfloor, which was under the timber flooring. Now, timber flooring can be difficult to dry at the best of times, and very expensive to replace if not successful. So what can be done? This is where specialised drying methods can help. After assessing the condition of the timber flooring, the combination of materials, and the design of the flooring, it was decided that the timber floor could be successfully dried. How did we do it? Heat mat drying is a specialised method that uses mats to distribute hot air to a targeted area through holes in the mats. However, it must be done in a controlled rate so as not to cause secondary damage from over drying or drying too quickly. In this case, if it's done successfully, we could not only save the timber floor, but dry the affected building materials without needing to do anything invasive such as cut open walls, which would require further repairs. Heat mats were laid across the affected areas of all the affected rooms throughout the house. Vent kit hoses were also attached to the kitchen cabinetry to dry out trapped moisture inside the cabinetry. What was the end results? 1. The yellow tongue subfloor and the timber floor were all successfully dried. 2. The cost was estimated to be approximately 1/3 of what it would have cost to replace the timber flooring. And 3. The insured was able to have their home returned to normal as quickly as possible. Job done.